I know a couple of those Street Fighters. I know one of them was going for like 500-600, and I think another one was going for like 3. I was like maybe.
Froggy flips.
What's up, buddy? How you doing? Good. What we got?
Here's the meat and potatoes part of it.
Okay. Those are cool. Were these yours as a kid too?
Yeah.
Were they?
Yeah, I just found them in a.
Man, how'd you not open them?
Wasn't easy.
Those are cool.
Most of the stuff's on the inside.
Oh, is it? Nice. Snake mount. They're always dusty. There's some cool stuff in there. Nice. What are you thinking?
I know a couple of those Street Fighters. I know one of them was going for like 500-600, and I think another one was going for like 3. I was like maybe 650.
50?
So
Let's see.
I think the most expensive one's the guy with the boxing gloves.
That I'm trying to think of what his name was.
I can't remember either. There he is. That's the name.
Oh, yeah. That's his name. Card's good, isn't it?
I hadn't been down there for a while. I was helping the son out. He just bought a new house, so I was helping him out.
Oh, really?
Means I snowed in this weekend. I thought, yeah. Good time to go down.
Yeah. Would you do 6? 6 cash?
Yeah, I can do 6.
Okay. That'll work. I think I just have right about that. 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 3, 20, 40, 60, 84, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86. Awesome, man.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Double count that if you want to. I think it's all there. I appreciate it.
Not a problem.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you, sir. What's up, man?
Okay.
All right, buddy. Take it easy.
All right. Have a good man.
Thanks, man. You too. What?
Eat my snack.
You didn't.
I just ate some. And I think
What?
Daddy, how did I know it was a skeleton door?
Here, let's walk this way because of the rain. Okay. It's so rainy, isn't it?
I found a worm that was dead.
Ew.
Right now.
Yeah.
I think that skeleton looks funny.
What?
The skeleton looks funny.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Let's come for the Garbage Pail Kids stuff.
No worries.
Okay.
So, all of this is like together. My husband's like do what you want with it. I'm like, okay, I'm putting it on
Sure.
Facebook.
Yeah.
These are like Desert Storm thing. I don't know if you want them all for the 100. Or
Okay. Yeah.
if you wanted to go through with it, or
Yeah, that's cool. Looks good to me. 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100.
it's what?
Hot because you've been in the car. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right, Pauline. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
All right, buddy, you ready? Oh, okay. Okay, you want to go get Sissy some lunch now? Oh, raining! Raining! Oh!
Raining is gonna kill you.
Well, no.
In the dark.
Good, how are you?
I think I still, I don't know if they brought it in here for you or if it's but I have the card too. The Joker, Penguin, Riddler. Yeah, but it was the.
You ready to go?
I'm gonna grab one of these bootlegs, but I want to look at your card and stuff real quick.
Yeah, sure. Sorry about the mess up here.
Oh, no, you're good, man. And then what about those cards up there? What are you asking on the on that line?
$100 on Scale Tour, Optics 70, Flip Shots 55, and Hydron 60.
What'd you do for all of them? Plus this.
225.
25.
I think that's a very good deal.
Deal.
You want it?
Yep.
Good, I got the Joes up there now. One thing you don't see much is the new adventure stuff.
Yeah, what year was that line?
92,
92?
89.
Okay. See, yes, that was after I
That was
ever
close.
bought as a kid.
Out the door 225. I think it's pretty clear.
I appreciate it.
Scale Tour, man. Scale Tour and He-Man are the two highest ones in the last 3 figures in that lathe.
Yeah.
The only one I'm missing, not carded, but loose, I only collect loose,
Right.
is Lizor. Lizor's the only one needs, and he's not that high. I just haven't pulled the trigger
Sure.
like you're doing on your Scarecrow.
20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40. I don't have change.
82, 20. There you go, man. Merry Christmas.
Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you.
Come back to me.
We'll do. Take it easy, man.
All right, buddy.
Thank you.
Oh, here's a card for you for your bag, for your TV, refrigerator magnet, for
Okay.
your TV. There you
Cool,
go.
man. Appreciate it, buddy. All right, everyone, we're back in the garage. No real yard sales this week yet. There were no estate sales that looked that interesting to me. Didn't really have any sort of private pick lined up or anything, but I did make a few kind of local private deals that I thought were pretty cool. So I just thought I'd make a video out of that stuff. Personally, I've kind of been on the hunt for some higher end stuff to auction off on Whatnot. I know not everyone is a fan of that platform, and I'm not personally sponsored by them or anything, so you're not going to hurt my feelings. I personally think it's kind of a fun way to move lots of stuff quickly, so that was kind of in the back of my mind this week. And I'm really happy with the stuff I was able to find. I'll pop up eBay comps with most of this stuff just to kind of give you an idea of potential value, but I do plan on selling most of this on Whatnot. So real quick, let's take a look at what I was able to find this week. We'll start with the Garbage Pail Kids stuff. Obviously, this was just personal collection stuff. This popped up on Facebook Marketplace, and I jumped on it. They were asking $200 for the entire lot, and when I inquired to see if it was still available, they immediately dropped the price down to $100. So, of course. But if I was going to sell this lot, it'd probably be a quick double up, maybe even close to triple. We have 18 of these sealed posters from 1986. A lot of times these sell for between like $8 and $10 a piece. A lot of times these sell for more if they're actually open because people are trying to complete a collection. There are 18 of them, so great deal right there. There are 4 of the jumbo stickers. I had yet to find any of these prior to this, so that was cool to see these. A small stack of vintage sticker cards. I think most of these are like maybe series 3 or 4 and beyond. Probably the coolest part of the lot were these 4 packs of unopened Imperial stickers from the 80s. These oftentimes sell for 15 to 20 bucks a sheet. And these are all different, so that's really cool. My favorite is probably this one here because it has an atom bomb in it. But I mean, if you were going to buy these on eBay, that's like 60 bucks right there for the 4 of them. So very cool. a little zipper pouch that I thought was really neat. I like all this little extra stuff, like the licensed merch and everything, because you don't see it as much as like just random sticker cards. And then we have a poster that was open, Gone with the Garbage. So very cool lot for $100. And there was some random stuff in here too, like some baseball cards, rubber banded up, and then some Desert Storm cards. This was actually in the bottom of the tote. Pretty cool. It's a 1989 Grateful Dead like sticker decal thing. But of course, if vintage Garbage Pail Kids stuff shows up on Facebook Marketplace locally, I'm certainly going to jump on it. We'll do this lot next. So this was a store that is local to me, probably 15 miles down the road, and I didn't even know it existed. It was called Grayskull Collectibles. So I went in there to check it out, and it was a pretty amazing place. Just like tons of stuff from Motu to Thundercats to old Remco stuff. I saw Mask stuff, lots of G.I. Joes, mostly loose, a lot of complete. There was some carded stuff as well, but a really cool store, and the prices were pretty much like spot on. So since the prices were good, I kind of wanted to see like how they would treat bulk deals. So basically all this stuff individually came out to $325, and when I bundled it all up together, he immediately dropped $100. And then I ended up paying $220 for everything, which is a fantastic deal and actually leaves plenty of meat on the bone for this stuff. First of all, we have this cool bootleg Thundercats figure, Lion-O here, along with Snarf. These are actually kind of pricey on eBay. I thought it might make a cool little giveaway on Whatnot, so we'll see exactly what I do with that. But then the carded stuff here, it's the New Adventures of He-Man. Came out in the late 80s, I think 89, so it was past the time that I cared about He-Man or Masters of the Universe. So, and I have no intention of collecting this, but like I said, I got a great deal buying them all in bulk. So if you look at comps on eBay individually, like this Hydron, I think is somewhere in the $60 range. Optic can actually sell for closer to $100. Skeletor here is one of the better ones to find. I've seen him sell for as much as $150 on the card like this. And Flipshot, I think, is one that doesn't have a lot of sold comps, but asking prices are up there. I'm guessing it's probably a $50 or $60 figure also. And then the last deal was quite a bit more expensive. It was actually a fella that I had bought stuff from in the past. I had responded to a Facebook ad in the past. I gave him my number in case he found any more stuff, and he did call me when he found some more stuff. I knew that it was going to be kind of pricey because of the carded figures, but I didn't know what else he was bringing. I ended up paying $600 for everything. Ideally, this lot, I would have liked to have paid closer to like $400 or $500 maybe, but the fact that he came directly to me and I would like him to continue to do that, I was happy to pay up a little bit. But there was a whole box of Masters of the Universe action figures. Nothing that I need personally, so these will all be sold. Elliot and I took a little bit of time with a wet wipe, and we kind of cleaned them up, and they're all in really pretty good condition considering. Not very heavy on accessories. A lot of these are complete with chest armor, like Fisto here, Clawful, and Beastman. And I do have accessories that I will be able to complete some of these. But there's like 24 or 25 figures, I think. Two of the better figures, we have the original Skeletor here with his chest armor and his loincloth. Legs are good, clean, soft head. And then we also have a Mexican COO soft head He-Man, also very clean with good legs, no accessories or anything. But even in this condition, these could be $20 to $30 figures a piece. And everything else, I kind of see this lot as being probably close to $200 to $250 as far as value goes. The next thing is the 1989 TMNT Party Wagon, and this thing is almost complete. You see these a lot in different states of disrepair, missing parts, missing pieces, missing the spoiler, the accessories, the flaps, even the roof. You'll see I'm missing this door. It's supposed to have two bombs, laughing gas and a stink bomb. So I'm missing the stink bomb, which is like a $5 part on eBay. The rubber band is dry rotted here. I do not think that's a big deal. The sticker that goes right there was actually applied on this door here. So kind of a bummer, but it does actually have the sticker, so that helps. A nice, clean, complete party wagon like this can sell for between $100 and $150, sometimes even a little bit more. So I definitely plan just to kind of probably buy that bomb from somewhere if I don't already have one. And we're just going to make this thing complete. It's too nice not to. Something that you also don't find complete a lot, it is Snake Mountain from Masters of the Universe. I've actually never found one complete, but it does have everything from the door to the ladder to the bridge. It even has the handcuffs. This handcuff has seen better days, but it is there. All these parts alone can sell for quite a bit on their own. Like these handcuffs, I think can sell for $30 a piece. The bridge can sell for like 50 to 70. The ladder can sell for like $30. The door, I think, can sell for 20 or 25. If you turn it around, it has the net, which is another $20 or $25 piece. The battery door for the microphone is there. That can sell for $25. And in case you're wondering, it does work. So basically what we have here is a nice complete working snake mountain with just a tiny bit of damage on this handcuff. And once it's polished up, these can sell for between like $200 and $300, usually average about $250. So the snake mountain for $250 or so. We have the party wagon for $100 to $150, plus the lot of the actual He-Man figures for a couple hundred. So I think we're already about paid for when it comes to the lot. So then we still have this stuff, which is actually why the price was so high. But these are old Street Fighter II G.I. Joe action figures on the card. Most of the cards are in great condition. A couple have a little turn down, but they're not creased. So you could probably straighten those out a little bit. Bubbles are great on all of them. Graphics are great. There's no tears or anything in any of them, so keep that in mind. We got Vega here that sells for about 140 bucks. Ken Masters is in the $50 to $75 range. The nicest and most valuable is this Balrog. It sells for about 250 bucks, and this one is pretty clean from what I can tell. Probably the cheapest one is Chun-Li that sells for like 40 to 45. Guile might be in the worst shape with the worst corners here. Sells for 45 to 55. Ryu sells for 70 to 85. Blanca, also in very nice shape, sells for 85 to 100. And M. Bison is in the $60 to $70 range. So considering that the extras should pretty much pay for most of it, and this should end up hopefully being profit, 600 was not a bad deal. Like I said, 400 would have been great because then that kind of gives you room to play with on some of this stuff, but there's still plenty to be made, and hopefully this contact will continue. All right, so that's all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.